Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today is Sunday, thus we will be doing another cooking video for you guys. And here we have some chicken all seasoned up and looking so delicious already, guys. So we're doing baked chicken in mango sauce. Yes guys, I said it, baked chicken in mango sauce. So it's mango time, guys, and we're gonna use up all the mangoes that we have to cook some delicious meal. You can use whichever mango is your favorite. You can use that mango to do the sauce. So I went ahead off camera and I seasoned the chicken with some jerk season, good old Jamaican jerk seasoning. I use a small amount of cock soup and a pinch of salt. Yes guys, I cut up my carrots, my chocho, my sweet pepper, my hot pepper, my turnip, my scallion, my thyme, my onion. Yes guys, I cut up all of those, season on it guys, and yeah, it's now time to bake this bad boy, guys. So over here I have the mango sauce that I blend, the mango that I blend. I also put 2 medium-sized tomato to that, guys, and I blend it. So I'm gonna put this in the oven now, guys, let it bake for a while, and then I'm gonna pour all of the sauce all over it, guys, and allow it to bake, and then I'll show you guys. So stay tuned guys for the result. And so I transfer the chicken from the smaller baking tin to this big file. I totally forgot that I had this big file, guys, and I'm going to use this and cover it so that it can steam properly. Yes guys, now I'm going to put the chicken. I'm going to ask my husband to help me because I can't hold it with one hand. Yes guys, there it is going in. I'm going to bake it at 200 degrees, guys. 200 degrees. I turn the oven to 200. Let it bake for about half an hour, 30 minutes, guys, and then I'm going to add the mango sauce to it. Okay guys, so I just took this out of the oven. Wow, it's hot. So I'm going to pour the mango juice all over right now, guys. Look at that. And it made a whole lot of water, guys. Look at that. Wow. So I'm going to pour the mango juice over right now, guys. So now I'm going to add the mango juice to it. So to the mango juice, like I said, I had some coconut milk. I had a small amount of browning and a small amount of powdered jerk seasoning. Have it, guys. The chicken is all done and it looks so good. Smells so yummy, guys. Can't wait to start eating our dinner. So baked chicken in mango juice. This is amazing, guys. It looks so yummy.
I begin to